Good evening. It is 9:52 Sunday evening, March the 3rd, 2018, here in Hermitage, Tennessee. A quick test of a new logo that I may be using. I see the camera is just a bit off. You'll pardon me while I adjust it. There we go. That's better. Pardon me. As I said, this is just a quick test of a new logo design that I may be using for the videos that I do on Zoom to promote our user 12-hour room, where we're on from 11 a.m. Eastern to 11 p.m. Eastern. I'm available there as host between 11 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. Eastern, and between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern. The rest of the day, the room is open for anybody who wants to come in to chat. There may be other people in the room. There may not. I may be there. I may not. I do have a second account that I keep in that room at all times so that I get notifications when somebody comes in. So if you come in and nobody's there, hang on a minute or two at least, because I may see you and get in. It just takes a few minutes. So like I say, just a test to see what's going on with this thing and how to look. And thank you for watching, should I ever put it up.